Hey guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax here at Lake Ozark, Missouri. I'm standing on the back of a 280 SLX. Pretty boat. It's got the stone interior. It's got the power tower. I want to do a quick walkthrough, kind of point out some features, and hope to see you come check it out. So right here on the back of the boat, it's got these flip-up seats, so you can sit down, lay down, stepping in real quick. Got a transom cooler for some beers, soda, whatever. Coming on in, you've got right here on the walkthrough, you've got your battery switches, easy to hit going into the boat, easy to hit on the way out, and you got your tower and platform controls for the drop-down swim platform. It's been a real big success here at the lake. Got a pull-out tray in your fridge. Designated cooler storage. You've got your nice SeaRay seating. Diamond stitch in there. The SLX are known for their wraparound seating. You know, really maximizing what you can put in here as far as occupants. The swivel seats. Flip-up bolsters on both driver and co-captain seat, and the very nice glass dash. We've got the new shifters from Mercury. Just a little more refinement there, making docking and operation a lot easier, smoother. I'd have to check that out to really see the new differences. I'll let you go ahead and come up here. I'll go ahead and show you the bathroom. Nice head compartment. Moving up into the bow, you'll see we got our cover stored in here. It's a very large compartment for storage. It goes up under the helm. Go ahead and step up there and get that. Real nice bow, very well finished. Now again, 280 SLX by SeaRay here at Lake Ozark Marina. Come check us out. Thank you for joining us.